Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to draw a Ultra Instinct Goku. First, change the background color to gray. Then, create a layer for the rough sketch. Start with a circle for the head. Then, draw the middle line to determine the angle of the face. After that, draw the jawline. Then, sketch the neck area and the chest too. Take your time to sketch, no need to rush anything. You must pay attention for the proportion of the character. When you are done with the sketch, make a new layer for the final outline. Start from anywhere you like. One thing you must concern is the details. Make sure that you draw every details in this phase. Take your time, no need to rush anything. You can slow down the video in settings below. Or, pause the video for a while. Don't compare the speed of this video to yours. I need an hour to draw like this. When you are done with the final outline, make another new layers. Remember to create one layer for one color only. It will make you easier to change the color later if you find it not okay. Start dropping the base color in different layer. Now, create another layer above each base color layer and set them as clipping mask. Pick a darker or lighter color. Imagine about where the light will come from, so you can determine the darker part of the character. You can use the luminance brush from Procreate default for the effect. Create your own effects, no need to follow me for this one. Good luck everyone. Thank you for watching and learning. And see you in the next video.